Hey everybody, I am here today to show you the new invisible decrease stitch on the Knitted Knocker crochet pattern. So on the previous pattern, we would do a single crochet two together, and that works great. It still does, it's awesome. But it does leave this little gap here, and it does leave a little bit of a bump. And so on the invisible decrease, we can see that it's less of a gap here, and even when I show you the stuffed versions, like here is the old pattern, you can see there's a little bit, you can see the stuffing a little bit more, and there's that bump. But then here, when it's stuffed, less of it. So we have decided to update the pattern, and now I will show you how to do the invisible decrease. So I'm here, I've done the front, you can see the swirl going. There is our back loop only rows to give us that nice border, and a couple of rows of tan just so that when you stuff it, it doesn't show on the other side. And so here I am ready to do a decrease, and I am one before my marked stitch. So 1, 2. And for now, I'm going to take this out because it will get in the way. And then so previously what we would do is grab both, this one and this one, and that is called a single crochet two together. You finish it off like this. But now what we're gonna do is only grab the front loop. So just the front loop here, and then kind of twist it around and grab the front loop here, pull the yarn through, and then finish it off. And that's 1. Now we need to do 2. So we're gonna go front loop only, pull the yarn through, and finish it off. Whoops, that happens. And now I wanna put the marker back in. So I'm gonna put it back on this first stitch here. And that will let me know next time I come around that I should decrease here and here. And so I'll just keep going on till I get to my next decrease. So that is the invisible decrease. I also want to show you this handy thing that I neglected to use. This is so awesome if you're crocheting and your fingers hurt. You just put it through here and here. You can get them on Amazon for like $10 for 3, I think. And it holds the tension for you. Very cool. Anyway, that's how you do the new invisible decrease. Thanks, guys.